If you thought working at Meta will save you from AI eyes, turns out you are the main spectacle. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In a move that sounds straight out of a dystopian thriller, Meta has begun installing aggressive new spyware on the computers of its US employees. The tech giant reportedly wants to record every single mouse click, scroll, and keystroke to teach robots how to replace them. Internal memos reveal a project called the Model Capability Initiative, a digital dragnet that captures snapshots of worker screens and tracks their most minute interactions with work apps. Meta isn't even hiding the fact that it's using its own staff as guinea pigs to build their own replacements. Executives say the data will train AI agents to master tasks that current bots struggle with. CTO Andrew Bosworth laid it out cold. The future of Meta is one where agents do the heavy lifting, while humans are pushed back to just directing the machines. It's a total agent transformation that effectively turns high-paid software engineers into digital trainers for the software that will eventually take their desks. While Meta insists this high-tech surveillance won't be used to fire underperformers and claims sensitive content is protected, critics are saying otherwise. Legal experts warn that this level of white-collar surveillance was once reserved for delivery drivers and gig workers. With this, Meta's already planning to slash 10% of its workforce this May. The message to staffers is clear: work hard, because the AI is learning exactly how to do it, and it doesn't need a lunch break either. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.